Are you tired of making trading decisions based on outdated information? Have you ever wondered if the charts you're staring at are truly reflecting the market's heartbeat in real time? If you're using TradingView, this question isn't just academic, it's crucial for your trading success. TradingView has revolutionized how millions of traders and investors worldwide interact with financial markets. It's lauded for its intuitive charting tools, vast array of indicators, and a vibrant social community. But for anyone serious about trading, particularly those involved in day trading, scalping, or executing strategies that demand immediate responses, the accuracy and timeliness of data are paramount. Delayed data can lead to missed opportunities, poor entry and exit points, and ultimately, losses. So, does TradingView provide real-time data? Let's dive in and demystify this critical aspect of the platform. The short answer is, yes, TradingView does provide real-time data, but with some important nuances you need to understand. By default, for many instruments and exchanges, TradingView offers delayed data. This delay can vary, often around 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the specific exchange and asset. For casual investors or those focused on longer-term strategies like swing trading, this delay might not be a significant issue. Analyzing daily or weekly charts for broader trends doesn't typically require tick-by-tick updates. However, for active traders, even a few minutes of delay can be the difference between profit and loss. This is where TradingView's premium market data subscriptions come into play. To access true real-time data for specific exchanges and asset classes, you'll generally need to purchase additional data packages. These packages are offered on a per-exchange basis and can cover a wide range of markets, including U.S. stocks, NYSE, NASDAQ, futures, CME Group, Forex, and various international exchanges. For example, a U.S. stock markets bundle, providing real-time data for NYSE, NASDAQ, NYSE Arca, NASDAQ GIDS, and OTC markets, might cost around $9.95 per month for non-professional users. The pricing varies significantly depending on the exchange and whether you're classified as a professional or non-professional trader. Professional fees are typically much higher. It's important to note that TradingView sources its data from a multitude of reputable institutional-grade data partners and direct exchange feeds. This ensures the quality and reliability of the data. They connect to hundreds of data feeds, providing access to millions of instruments globally. This extensive network is what allows them to offer such comprehensive coverage. Another crucial point to consider is the distinction between real-time data on the charts, watch lists, and screeners versus the real-time data displayed in your order panel when connected to a broker. While TradingView offers real-time data subscriptions for charting and analysis, the bid and ask prices displayed in your order panel or buy-sell buttons are often sourced directly from your connected broker. If your broker's data feed is delayed, those quotes will also be delayed, even if your TradingView chart is showing real-time data. Some brokers in TradingView have integrations that allow for real-time data verification, potentially saving you from paying for the same data twice. Furthermore, while real-time data is essential, TradingView also provides various tools to optimize your experience and minimize latency. You can set chart update modes to real-time, enable optimized data for speed, and adjust settings like maximum bars back to reduce the amount of historical data loaded, all of which contribute to a smoother and faster charting experience. In essence, TradingView empowers you with the option for real-time data, but it's not a blanket feature. You need to be proactive in understanding which data feeds are real-time by default and which require a paid subscription. For serious traders, investing in these real-time data packages is often a non-negotiable step to ensure you're always operating with the most current market information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.